Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at how to choose the stocks during that live market and do an intraday trade based on that. Okay, so this is for an educational content. So please do your own analysis before taking any real trade. So before taking that trade, right? So we need to go for the NSE India website. So here you can see this is the go for the www.nseindia.com and click on this NSE India websites. Okay, so after that you can come to know that. So this is the homepage of an NSE India. So first thing you have to look at is look at the Nifty trend. So if it is in 0.20% or up higher than that, you can go for the buyer side, and if it is in a minus 0.20%, then go for the selling side. Okay, so after clicking on this, so you just click on the stock watch. Okay, so once you clicked on this stock watch, right, so you click on this view icon and you can go for the scroll down and you choose the FNO stocks. So once you get selected this FNO stocks, right, so this will give you the list of all the future and option stocks which is traded in the NSE. And what you have to do is, since the Nifty is trading on the green side, so what you have to do is choose first three stocks. Okay, so here you can see Chola Finance, MFSL and in Petro. These are the three stocks which is having the huge gain in the future and future stocks. Okay, FNO stocks, right? So what you have to do is, so here you can see its highest, it's opened at the point of 155 and it moved till 162.65, and right now it's trading at the level of 161.85, right? So what you have to do is you just go to a trading terminal and have a look at the Chola Finance. So this is the Chola Finance 5 minutes chart. So here you can see that, so it's keep on it opened and it's keep on moving higher. So you should place the buyer above this recent high. So instead of simply buying, you can always choose this high price, and once the price gets breaking this high, then you can enter. So instead, so you can place the buy order at the level of 162.70, since 162.6 is the high price of Chola Finance for this day. You can choose this, you can enter at the level of 162.70. okay, so after that you can see MFSL and Hind Petro is also trending match, so I'll be choosing the Hind Petro. So here you can see that, so the stock opened gap down at the level of 205 and it went too high till the level of 218, and it's right now it's trading at the level of 216, right? So you can go for go and place the buy order at the high of this price. So keep just 10-20 paise above this higher price, and once this triggers, you can wait for 0.3% or 0.5% as your target and you can exit. So and you can keep the SL as per your own risk profile. Okay, so if you are willing to take only the 50 means like only 1000 rupees per trade, then you can keep whatever the 500 rupees, and you can keep the position size as well based on your SL size, SL points. Okay, so this is one of the best strategies. So what you have to do is go to this NSE India website and click on that stock watch. Once you click on the stock watch, click on this view button and select the FNO stocks. Okay, so this is for the buy side. So let's assume that Nifty is at the sell side, which is an minus 20.20. Then what you have to do is, once you click on this page, click on this change percentage, so that it will get displayed in the descending order based on the highest losing stock. So you can see that Power Grid, M&M, these are all the stocks which is losing. So you can select these first 3 to 4 stocks and you can place the sell order below this lower price. So here you can see the Power Grid slow is at the point of 158.35 and it's trading at the 159.40, right? So you can place the sell order below this 158.35, so which is like you can place the order at the price of 158.20 or 25, and you can wait for 0.3 to 0.5 percentage of the profit and you can get exit. Okay, so yeah friends, so we have seen this example of selecting this Chola Finance by the time of like 10:20 by today for an intraday, and we have choose that at the time of like by that time, right? So it's trading at the price of like it made the high of 162.76, right? So we seen that, so we can go long above this Chola Finance by above the price of 162.70. Okay, so assuming that we have made that trade after above the high of this 162.70, right? So after that you can see that, so it went so here at this price, at this chart you can see the trade gets executed. So we have seen that calculations at the time of like around 10:15 to 10:20 candles. So at that time it's trading at the level of like 162. Okay, and it made the high of 162.60. so I told in that so we can go on high above this 162.70, right? So after that you can see that, so the price went till the high of 170. So assuming that the lot size of the Chola Finance is like 250, so by entering at the level of 162.70 we made like around like hardly 7.3 paisa. So even if a guy can able to trial the SL and he can stay with the trade for like around 5 rupees, then it's like the profit of hardly it's the profit of 15,000 intraday. Okay, so the capital required for this intraday is like hardly around 80,000. so in that 80,000, like earning 15,000 in a day is a very good huge returns in a percentage wise if you have a look at it. So this is one of the very good strategy to pick up the intraday stocks. So thanks for watching friends. So please do your please do subscribe to our channel and also click on that bell icon so that you will be getting the notifications whenever we upload the new videos. So thanks for watching.